Hey guys, welcome back. It's Gina. I wanted to hop on here and share with you guys some different things that Bargain Bowes offers. So on the site, I'm sure you guys have seen they have pre-made bundles for you. The Classy Lady, the Simply Sweet, the Sassy. Those are pre-made bundles that have just colors already picked out for you. But there's different options on there if you want to make your own bundle. They have custom bundles. So if you go onto the Bargain Bowes website, you'll see custom bundle tabs, and what you could do is you go on there and you pick out at least 15 bows or headbands. You can mix and match, it doesn't matter, and you could use code CUSTOMBUNDLE25 to save 25% off your order. Or if you want more bows, you could pick at least 30 and you could use code CUSTOMBUNDLE50 to save 50% off your order. So pretty great deal because you're getting a lot of bows and you're getting to pick out exactly what you want. So feel free to mix and match, 8-inch and different colors or sizes or headbands, whatever's perfect for you and your little ones, and you get exactly what you want. And there's also a section on there to do a custom bundle with boutique bows. So there's definitely different options for you guys to get everything you need. So make sure to head to the site, check out, and get the custom bundle that's perfect for you. All right, bye guys.